This platform will pay you for all the clicks that you generate, and like I said, earn up to 20 cents per visitor. Number 2, high conversion rates. You will be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. Number 3, everyone can join. This means that anyone can join this program and start earning money in just a matter of minutes. And lastly, it's easy to start. The search engine that we will be using in this video is Google, because you're going to invite as many people as possible to go and try this new search engine that works just like Google. The difference between this new search engine and Google is that you get to earn fat stacks of cash online with this new search engine. Before I reveal the new search engine to you, take a look at this page right here. You'll see this 3-lined icon right here on the upper right side of the page. As soon as you click on it, it will toggle these various categories, namely services, free submission, SEO, ad market, affiliate, directory, advertise, articles, and instant indexing. But we are going to focus on affiliates. So click on it and you'll be redirected to this page where you can see that you can earn 20 cents per click. The next thing you're going to do now is to promote and invite as many people as possible to click on your link so that you can earn a huge amount of money, and that's how affiliate works. I'm sure you guys are enjoying this video. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, this page contains all the necessary information about the platform's affiliate program. The program is powered by Post Affiliate PRO, the leading affiliate tracking software. Post Affiliate Pro makes sure that all the referrals and sales are tracked correctly. The process is fully automatic. All your clicks, visitors will be properly tracked. It even works if cookies are disabled in the browser of the customer. The customer can visit months after your referral and the click will still be tracked, and that's basically how it works. The website that I want to talk about is called theentireweb.com. As you can see, the interface is similar to Google. Just head over to this icon on the upper left side and click on this link that says Affiliate. You'll then be redirected to this page to begin the sign-up process for free. Ensure you input your first name, last name, username, and so on and so forth. Then lastly, go to the payment method section to add your PayPal account information, and once you're done, simply tick this box that says I agree to the terms and conditions to open your brand new account. After creating your account, grab your affiliate link on your dashboard, visit Quora.com, which is basically a giant public forum where people from all over the world get to share insights, ask questions, and reply queries. Go to the search bar on Quora.com, type in keywords that will engage people, and when they reply to your comment, provide your affiliate link that will provide solutions. With that, you can keep earning over and over again. Do you want to earn money simply by listening to music? Click here! Now that you've watched this video till the end, it's time to start implementing what you've learned.